What's that sound? Did my chair just move? Yes, I can dance too. Can you teach us how? Oh yes, follow me now. How do we sit nice and tall? Feet on the floor, back straight, that's all. How many beats? Let's count, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, begin again. Dance, chair, dance, move to the beat. Count the rhythm with your happy seat. Dance, chair, dance, side to side. Learning posture with chair as our guide. What comes after 1 beat? Chair. 2 beats, tap your toes in the air. How many claps for 3? 1, 2, 3, easy as can be. And how do we balance when we sit right down? Straight back, strong core, don't fall to the ground. Shh. Is the chair moving slow? Yes, sway left and right, nice and low. And now we go faster, ready to spin. Dance, dance, chair, let's begin. How many beats in a march? 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp and arch. How do we sit when we read our book? Feet flat, eyes forward, take a look. What's the secret to staying tall? Balance, posture, rhythm for all.